Make sure you subscribe.
How you like that? So hard to find. And then it goes half yellow, half red. And this is the second set. I thought maybe it was a defective one. I bought 8 bulbs initially, and then I've done changed it out each time. Seems to be more heavy with the tail light bulbs, I guess because the bottom's just the blinkers, and they don't come on as much. So this one, same way. Half orange, half red. Alright. So after hard looking on my phone, I found those old bulbs that I have in there. They are the IPCW, the 3157, and they suck. So hopefully these ones are better. They're dang near impossible to find in red at all, like at all. So these were the only 2 different kinds I could find that wasn't LED. These ones are Blue Elf 3157. So hopefully this works. So we're gonna take off this 10mm. You can use a Phillips head, but I wouldn't recommend it. Pop it loose with a 10, you might strip it out. I mean, worst case scenario, you just grab a 10, but hey, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. So we're gonna unscrew that bolt. Just go ahead and pull it out. Undo this one. Then we can pull it off. These just twist out. I didn't explain that. I'm sorry. Set that down out of the way. Now, it's just crazy. I don't know if the light's gonna show it, but we got orange, red, orange, red. Anyway. They are all red right now. Please work better. These were darker looking red, almost like a ruby red, but except for when it turns orange. That was kind of wobbly a little bit. Alright, so we're gonna put these back in there and get it going. So this just goes twisted in, you'll see it drop into place. I have issues sometimes, I don't remember which one it was, but my reverse light kept blowing. This last time I cleaned it up and scrubbed it down really good. Once we get to the other side, we'll see if it was that one. But it's been a while since I messed with it. Pull it out, it was just a bunch of white powder all over it. Alright, let's see what we got going. Well, as of now, it's red. Hang on, gotta give him keys. Yeah, buddy. Guess I could have just turned on my flat. Boom. Alright, that's it. Got the bulbs changed. Let's see how that goes. I swear to God, if they turn half yellow, I'm just gonna have to buy more. Ain't really anything I can do about it. Make sure you subscribe. See more videos whenever I drop them. Got some pretty cool stuff coming up, I think. Anyway, start her up. You don't get temps like that very often. That was a fun ride, wasn't it?